First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Now take the lasso tool and select the hair like this. Click on select and mask option. Press the refine hair option. Take the refine edge brush tool and refine the edges like this. Select new layer with layer mask option. Click OK. Take the brush tool and mask the hair edges like this. Expose the bottom layer. Select the top layer. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose gradient fill adjustment layer. Here select your gradient color. Click OK. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose overlay. Decrease the opacity to 65%. Let's see the final result.